Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the subject we will discuss about is traffic engineering 18CV652. So myself Aditya Sharma 1V20CS004 from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today I'll be the facilitator for this session. The main goal of our session is to know about the effect of modal integration on traffic conditions in India. So here the today's agenda is modal integration, types of modal integration, why integration needed, potential benefits, and key issues in model integration. So let's start our session. What is model integration? Model integration refers to the process of combining different modes of transportation, such as buses, trains, and cars, to create a more efficient and sustainable transportation system. For example, in India, modal multimodal integration has been identified as a key factor in transforming the country's transportation systems. By integrating different modes of transportation such as buses, trains, and metro systems, it is possible to create a more efficient and sustainable transportation system. Modal integration, the key to transforming India's transport systems. In India, urbanization is increasing rapidly, offering economic opportunities across various sectors. This leads to domestic immigration of working class population to these urban centers, boosting its productivity, further leading to more economic activity through the establishment of more business centers and markets. This development cycle, through an analysis of its contribution to the gross domestic product (GDP), shows that urban centers are the engines of economic growth and their contribution to GDP will continue to grow. Integration should be logical from a system wide perspective. The goal of the integration is to improve the access and coverage while avoiding duplication of services. Second one, to make trips as short as possible in both times and distance while minimizing the number of transfers. The inconvenience of the transfer will impact the customer's decision on whether to take a particular mode or trip. This convenience depends on two main things: the wait time for the next service and the physical connection, including level changes, walking distance, and ambience of transfer. Examples such as protected from rain and climate control, etc. Here, next topic is types of model integration. There are three main forms of integration included. First one, physical integration. Second, information integration, and third is pair integration. First one, physical integration. Physical integration is also known as spatial integration. Physical integration describes efforts to co-locate the various parts of a transport system. This generally occurs at stations but also happens elsewhere in the network. Examples include taxi stands outside bus terminals, walkways connecting stations directly to the adjacent buildings, station service pro- uh, stations serving various bus and train lines, and bikeways along BRT routes, among others. Second one is information integration. Intermodal facilities are the result of transport planners purposely liking the operational characteristics of one mode to another. This enables customer to transfer between BRT services and to access services of other modes. It is the compatibility and the interwoven matrix of scheduled services communicated through integrated information systems, both statics, such as timetables and maps, and dynamic real-time information about approaching vehicles, and the use of an integrated ticket that helps determine the level of transfer and the success of an intermodal station. Basically, information integration is used for wayfinding. Wayfinding. What is wayfinding? The basic four principles of wayfinding for intermodal hubs. First one, easy and intuitive. Stations should be designed so that customers can intuitively find their way and see their destination. Direct lines of movement and sites are key. Second one, consistent, clear, and legible. Signage should be consistent, clear, and easily legible from a distance. Ingress and egress signs should be clearly differentiated. Third one, extensive. Information boards providing route information, station layouts, and local destinations should be located all around the station and the surrounding area. This allows people to orient themselves before they exit the station and to know how to get to the station. Fourth one is standardized. The use of standard station layouts, signage, and information systems within a transport network significantly improves the wayfinding experience, such as internal circulation. Third, fare integration. Integrating fare payments across various transport systems benefits the patron and system. For the customer, it makes it easier to use the entire transport system by simplifying the way the customer pays to use those services or allows easy switching or transfer between modes. It could help with regional integration too, as fare integration can help bridge jurisdictional boundaries. Example of fare integration includes common fare cards, common transfers, integrated tickets. Next topic is why integration is needed. First one, integration maximizes the use of public transportations, makes public transport more attractive. Second one, ensures destinations are reachable by public transport alone. Third one, improves the user experience by reducing burden and costs of transfers. Fourth one, service optimization reduces the cost and negative externalities in energy consumption and pollutant emissions. So the next topic is benefits of modal integration. A. Potential benefits for transit operators. First one, increased ridership and fare revenue. Second, potentially lower vehicle and driver requirements for operators. Third one, reduced route supervision requirements. Fourth one, potentially improved service on undersupplied routes due to reassigned resources. Second point, potential benefits for passengers, greater accessibility and mobility, potential time savings along same route. Third one, greater transfer convenience at interchange. C part is potential benefits for public, reduce pollution and environmental degradation. Second point is economic benefits due to less congested corridors. Key issues in model integration. There are basically four key issues. First one is road freight. Poor quality of roads and network connectivity. Good vehicles run only 250 to 300 kilometer a day in India as compared to 800 to 1000 kilometer in developed countries. Example Sanyal 2006B. Second point is rail freight. Tariffs in India are among the highest in the world. Second point is rail freight lacks reliability and trackability. Third point is minimum chargeable distance. So third major issue is air freight. There is absence of integrated cargo infrastructures. Second point is there are inequivalences in gateway and hinterland connectivity through rail and road. Third one, there is a need for streamlining of customs procedure in a air cargo. Fourth point is less connectivity to tier 2 cities by cargo. Fourth point is for a port freight. There are inefficiencies in berthing, delay in loading and unloading. Example, high turnaround time of vessels, this causing low productivity of operations attributed mainly to slow evacuation of cargo leading increasing transaction cost and losses of competitiveness. Second point is there are delays in coordination between ports and customs authorities. Thanks for watching.